and today we'll have a closer look at the skin booster Curenex. In today's video, we'll have a look at a procedure performed by a professional doctor using mesotherapy, and we'll go over the benefits of having Curenex treatments. But before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first one to find out when we post new and exciting content. Also head over to our Facebook and Instagram to find more cool content like promos and discounts. Okay, so now that we have this out of the way, let's go and have a closer look at Curenex. So skin boosters provide hydration, antioxidants, and they provide collagen forming ingredients to heal the skin from within. Curenex is a very popular South Korean rejuvenation skin boosters, which has lots of good properties. This is what Curenex looks like. It's very chic packaging, I think. So inside you have a collection of vials and an elastomer tube which fits on the vials. Curenex contains 15 peptides, and these are known for their anti-aging properties. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which provides hydration, glutathione, which is a brightening agent, and PDRN, also known as salmon DNA, which is great for rejuvenation. This powerhouse of ingredients is known to stimulate the cell rejuvenation and kind of heal the skin from within. Okay. So first of all, let's go over the benefits of using Curenex. First of all, it does not cause allergic reactions, you will not have irritations or any other side effects. It really has anti-aging properties, removes numerous aesthetic defects, stimulates natural rejuvenation and encourages the cells to repair, and it has a very long-lasting effect. Next, let's have a look at how to use Curenex. So like you can see, there are 5 vials in a packaging, which means you need to go through 5 procedures of Curenex. Each vial contains 5 milliliters of Curenex. This procedure should be carried out every 10 days, and 3 treatment sessions are enough to see visible results. So it's highly recommended that after 3 procedures, you continue your last 2 procedures with a 2-month interval. Apart from having Curenex professionally done, you can also use a HydroStamp needle along with other cocktails to apply Curenex into your skin. If you use a HydroStamp, make sure to stamp the needles onto your skin and do not drag them down, as this might leave scars. After you're finished with the HydroStamping, apply the leftover Curenex onto your skin for additional penetration of the Curenex and to soothe the skin as well. Let's now have a look at a procedure performed by a doctor. First, we're going to start off by cleaning the face, so all makeup and dirt is removed from the face. Next, continue by applying a numbing cream to the areas of the face and the neck where you will be injecting the Curenex. Wrap the face with plastic wrap to create a sealing and wait 30 to 40 minutes for the cream to kick in and numb the skin. It is highly recommended to start the procedure in the neck because it's way less painful. Skin booster has a unique composition, so the higher the concentration of hyaluronic acid, the more bumpier the results, and the bump will last for a day or 2. Skin boosters with a high volume of hyaluronic acid are, for example, Amicapture-Time and Argan. As mentioned earlier, Curenex has a mixture of ingredients, so the bumps of the procedure will go away just after a couple of hours. So by the time the patient gets home from the procedure, the bumps will have disappeared. Make sure to wear sunscreen after your skin booster procedure and do not wash with hot water the treated area in the next 24 hours. Avoid hot showers and saunas in the next couple of days. And please don't forget that you will need a treatment course to see the results, so you won't see visible results just after having one treatment. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you and I hope you learned something new about skin boosters and Curenex. If you have any questions or if you want to see other content, let us know in the comments section below. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!